Today I'm going to show you how to rename a layer in Krita quickly and easily. If you work with a lot of layers, naming them properly can save you a ton of time and make your projects so much easier to organize. Whether you're drawing, painting, or editing, this is one of those small workflow tips that can make a big difference. And before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Krita tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your layers are listed, and it's the place where you can manage, organize, and rename them. To rename a layer, simply click the layer once to make sure it is selected. Once it's highlighted, you have two easy options. You can either double-click directly on the current text name of the layer, or if you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, press F2 after selecting the layer. Both methods will open the layer name for editing. After that, you'll see the current name highlighted in a box, and all you need to do is type in your new desired name. Try to use a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize what the layer is for later. For example, you might rename it to sketch, line art, coloring, shadow, or background depending on your project. Once you've typed the new name, press enter on your keyboard to save the changes. And that's it. Your layer has now been renamed in Krita. It's a really simple process, but once you get used to it, it can make your entire workflow cleaner and faster. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Krita tutorial.